the tricky part of the element is after the leader does the back, side, forward, the follower is forward there. Now, this movement is a lot of pivot. What helps you is back, side, forward, face the follower. Even we are stepping in that direction, face the follower. That will help you to do the pivot there in the next step of the follower. It's like a rubber band. You are here, the rubber band release that element. You don't have to make an effort to get there. It comes from this. And those two movements, the one before and the one when we do the sacada, are slow. The follower is doing backside forward, that's quick, quick, slow. Forward is slow, and the next one side is slow too. So don't need to rush. Okay. So if you do that torsion, it will really help you to find the space. And let's try one more time. One detail to keep in mind in this is that we may be dancing in this position, in the embrace. But now I am releasing a little bit. I am not too tight here. That will even be more in a turn. Because if I keep the follower too tight, I won't get the space for the sacada. So close but with the space.